Richie Ruckus Beats.
It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Thursday, January 31st, and I'm ready to end the month of January with a banger. We're going to do an unboxing, review, and on feet of a brand new pair of Jordan 1s that I picked up today. Shout out once again to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. They helped your boy secure his pair today. These actually dropped a few weeks ago, but there were shipping issues with a lot of sneaker outlets. So a lot of people didn't get this Jordan 1. It was widely considered a GR. It was going to be a general release, most people thought, but they're actually reselling for almost $100 over retail. I see a lot more people are starting to get pairs. They're starting to become a little bit more abundant. So I'm guessing places are starting to get their shipments in. Lapstone Hammer actually got theirs in last night. And it's just lucky to draw. This is why you should always stop in your local sneaker boutiques and show them love and continuously show them support even when you're not expecting a sneaker to drop. I work near Lapstone Hammer. You know they get a lot of my business. I don't get anything gifted to me. I don't get anything held for me, anything like that. But I'm constantly in there. I walked in yesterday. They were putting these on the shelves. Just got these in. They weren't doing any social media type stuff. They were just putting them on shelves and letting people who were coming in to buy other stuff, coming in to check out other stuff, grab a pair. So your boy was lucky and I was able to secure myself a pair. But enough of my babbling. You guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Jordan 1 in the Hyper Crimson colorway. I know a lot of people are on the fence about these. I will tell you right now, straight off the bat, the quality on these is superb. You got the tumbled leather on the toe box and on the side panels. You have this gray, brushed, almost acid wash, stone wash suede throughout most of the upper. You got that washed orange suede around the collar of the shoe. You got the Nike Air logo on the tongue with the orange and yellow colorway. I'm very confused on why Nike does this with certain colors. Crimson is a shade of red. These sneakers are no way, shape, or form have red tints. That is definitely a neon orange, pretty much like this orange sneaker things camo box logo hoodie that your boy got on right now. When I first seen images of these were a sneaker that I knew I was going to have to get. I am a humongous fan of the Jordan 1. You guys know I love styling this orange, this bright construction worker orange. This sneaker is very much for me and very much up my alley, very much in my lane. But I could see why people would have a problem with this sneaker. We'll start off with the obvious off-white type undertones. You got the exposed tongue, which is very off-whitish. You also have the Nike branding right here under the swoosh, very off-whitish. And the one thing that I really didn't pick up on until I had them in hand, obviously this looks like a Jordan 1 shadow, but with this orange, it's like a shadow and a shattered backboard made a sneaker together. They're almost like the shadow backboards. But these were a must cop for me. Leave comments down below. I know I needed to get these, and when I seen that they were going to be a little bit harder to get upon the initial release, I was a little bummed. But persistence is key. Keeping the resale game down is very key, and it's something I live by. I will not pay these resale prices. I will wait, hunt, bargain. I will wait. I will be patient. Patience is key. Patience is a virtue. You have to, if you want something bad enough, wish it. And maybe it'll happen. Stay on the hunt and don't let these resellers get you. The fact that these are reselling for almost $100 over retail is bananas to me. It was supposed to be a GR. It was supposed to be a general release, and I'm sure now that the places are getting them, the resale price is going to fall a little bit. For those wondering, it also does come with the extra pair of orange laces. I am still on the fence what I'm going to do with the lace. If I'm going to do the lace swap with the orange, if I'm going to go with black. For the on feet, for argument's sake and for time's sake, we'll go with the black since the orange are still in the package. Black are already started to be laced. But that's it, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. I'm going to go bang out this on foot. But until next time, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.